Good morning. It's Thursday, 21st November 2024. Welcome to yet another episode of the Market Commentary. This is Vijay here. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. So, whatever we speak here, in my own thoughts, please do your due diligence. So, I hope we had a restful day yesterday. There was a lot of volatility on Tuesday, and it was very good for a long part of time, and suddenly it fell because of some news about Ukraine using IC on Russia. So that is as far as yeah, this Ukraine issue was concerned, and then the global markets recovered. And yesterday we had another scare which talked about Ukraine using UK-based missiles, but that too has died down. So today we are opening up in terms of two major news. The big news should have been the Maharashtra elections and how markets react to Maharashtra elections. But just a few hours ago, after I had completed my data, I got this news about Adani being indicted by the Department of Justice. So this is I think it takes precedence over Maharashtra elections because the last time it happened, it had a very chilling effect on the markets. Whether the second time it had the same chilling effect, we do not know. But the last time it was an allegation by Hindenburg. This time it is action by DOJ, that is Department of Justice, and they've indicted him for a 250 million bribe plot, where for their company Adani Power, they were looking for solar power, which means it's equivalent to about 2,000 crores bribes given to the government officials. Now, this is something I think more serious, and I don't know how the markets will react. Last time, if you observe, when the news came about Hindenburg, Adani Enterprises, their prime company, flagship company, fell down 71% in 3 days' time. Adani Power fell about 44%. So we may have similar treatment today for the Adani Group. The market too fell then. So that one has to be very wary of, as to see at that point of time the market was in a bullish trend. So the market fall seemed severe. But today we are already in what shall I say? We are already in correction territory, and many stocks have gone into deep bear market. Whether it will affect the same way or whether it will accentuate and make the final panic, we are wait to see. So the impact of elections on stock market, it can be very different for different states. If you recollect, the last time we had this was in December of 2023, when states like Rajasthan, where Congress supposed to win, they lost it, and there was a 5% move soon after the election results came. So the market had gone up before the results day. So it was on Thursday it went up, Friday, and then Monday, when the results came on the weekend, Monday and Tuesday it took off. So that was a 5% move. Today, if you look at it, we are on a downtrend. At that point of time, we were on uptrend. So it's very, very different. So even if the BJP-led coalition wins in Maharashtra and same in Jharkhand, whether it will give an impetus to the market to go up is yet to be seen. But nevertheless, today, because of Adani, that may overshadow the effect of anyway. The results will come only on Saturday. So today and tomorrow are only anticipation. So Adani issue may be center stage today and tomorrow. So it's likely to affect lots of stocks connected to the solar power. It may affect the Nifty also. And we have to see exactly what this will do, because as I said, it was exactly opposite in January 2024. And there was a budget coming in 5 days' time. Here, there is nothing like that. So we don't know how severe the markets will react to this news. But certainly, it is not a good news for the Indian stock markets. So we have to very carefully watch what we will do, because we will now, this is a local. So Adani has got a huge stake in Indian market. Now, just for what happened overnight, Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P were all very volatile. Dow Jones closed in the positive. Nasdaq waited for the results of Nvidia, which came with very good results. But yet, the aftermarket trading shows that Nvidia is being sold. Not much, but still. The reason being that huge call options were bought just before the results, they were expecting a 12% move. Now, obviously, it does not happen that way, and the put writers and the call buyers, I think, will lose quite heavily. So that is as far as the Nvidia is concerned. Nvidia is, a lodestar, you can say, where people look at it and then they trade on that. So today, two events. One is Adani indictment, and one is the anticipation of Maharashtra elections. Incidentally, the exit polls all talk about BJP-led coalition winning in Maharashtra, maybe by a small margin, but still winning, because the kind of money which has been poured into the Maharashtra elections and all attributed to Adani, because Adani is fighting for his life there, in terms of, he's got lots of projects. So there is a possibility that the Maharashtra elections may go towards the BJP-led coalition. Jharkhand is not very important, but still I think Jharkhand also, there is a feeling that BJP will win Jharkhand too. So if both these elections come in favor of BJP, the markets may take it positively. But I think the overhang of Adani is there. I don't know how deep the rot is and what the government will do, because government has sided with Adani in terms of giving projects and all that, and that now has come under a very, very big cloud. So I'll be very careful today. I normally had a bullish opinion going into it till yesterday evening, but this morning's news makes me very cautious, because you see, these are all black swan events. This event of Adani being indicted is a typical black swan event. Nobody expected it. It has suddenly come out in the open, because Hindenburg allegations happened in January of 2023. Nearly 2 years have passed and nothing had happened. And suddenly this has come about, because Supreme Court monitored inquiry also, nothing came of it last April. So one expected that has died down, but now it has come back to haunt us again. So we'll have to be very, very careful. Sometimes doing no trade may help. That may be my focus today, to look at how the market evolves and then take a call. So I'll be a little more careful than normal. I was quite bullish till this morning, just before the news came. So whatever you do, I hope you are successful. Thank you for joining.